A particle moving in straight line covers half distance with speed 6 meter per second, and the other half is covered in two equal time interval with the speed 9 meter per second and 15 meter per second. Then find the average speed of the particle during the motion. Okay. So now listen carefully. So this question is very important and this is very advanced level 2. They mention a particle moving in a straight line, right? So just imagine A point, it just moves with a straight line, make the point B here. So a particle moving in straight line covers half distance with the speed 6 meter per second. Now midpoint I am just mentioning C. So half distance means I am just mentioning S by 2. So distance for AC I just mentioned S by 2. It just covered with the speed 6 meter per second. Now next point, the other half, okay, the other half, that is S by 2 is covered two equal time intervals. So this is very important in this case. So the second segment, even though it has half distance covered, but it just split it into two things. Just make this point as D here. It just covered 9 meter per second and dB just covered 15 meter per second. But what they mention C2D, D2B, it just covered two equal time, okay. Just consider T2 equal to T3, that is T. Okay. Two time periods are equal, then we want to add the speed, that means average speed. So average speed formula is V1 plus V2 divided by 2. For example, a car just moves 1 hour 10 kilometer per hour, okay? And then another 1 hour it just covers 20 kilometer per hour. When time period are equal in both the segment, but the speed you want to add it here. So when you add the speed and divide by 2, you will get the average speed. So same concept now. Now just substitute formula here. So average speed equal to 9 plus 15 divided by 2, 24 by 2. So 12 meter per second. Now just move into the next diagram. A, B here, midpoint I am considering C. Now same A to C just covered S by 2. I just simplified and just moved into the next diagram. So A to C just covered S by 2 and same 6 meter per second, and C to B S by 2. But what about the speed here? 12 meter per second. Now based on this concept, you want to find out the average speed. Now I just erase here. Now look at carefully. So now we have to find out the average speed of the particle. Average speed formula. So total distance by total time. X1 plus X2, T1 plus T2. Now what about the X1 here? S by 2 and X2 S by 2. And what about the T1, T2? So T1, T2 they didn't mention anything direct data. Instead of that they mentioned the distance and then speed. So V equal to X by T. So now we have to find out T X by V, right? Now for T1 just consider for the first segment distance S by 2 and what about the speed? Multiply 6. For T2 again the distance S by 2 and what about the speed? 12. Now S by 2 plus S by 2 you will get the answer yes, and S by 2 6 plus S by 2 6. Now S by 2 common here, so yes, S by 2 make it as common, 1 by 6 plus 1 by, sorry here it will come 12, okay. So now just multiply 2 here. So S get cancelled. So this 2 it will come in numerator. So finally 12. So 2 plus 1 here 3. So final 2 multiplied with 12 divided by 3. So just cancel, it will be 4. And final formula for this question is 8 meter per second. So this is the average speed of the particle during motion, 8 meter per second.